Harden.
Yes, good morning, good morning. It is a wonderful day in the city of Pompano Beach. Yeah, come on. Clouds don't stop us here in Pompano Beach. Florida's warmest welcome. And welcome indeed to the students we have here, the youngsters. It's good seeing you guys. Thank you for showing up this morning. Appreciate it. We've got a lot of stuff to get through today, but first I'd like to take just a couple minutes to introduce our elected officials here this morning, the people I work with each and every day to make the city of Pompano Beach the best we can make it. And we've got with us today District 2 City Commissioner Rhonda Eaton. You'll hear from her shortly. Of course, we've got our Vice Mayor, Andrea McGee, represents District 1. Next to her, we've got District 3 City Commissioner Allison Fournier. And last but certainly not least, we've got District 5 City Commissioner Barry Moss. I'd also like to recognize with us today Representative Chip LaMarca here from Tallahassee, representing us up there. He doesn't have a check with him today, but that's okay. We'll expect one later. A lot of good stuff to come, but first, before I go any further, I'd like to ask someone to come up here. We've got a special presentation today, so if I could ask City Urban Forester Wade Collin to come on up. He's got something he'd like to take care of. So Wade, come on up.
Thank you, Mayor. Appreciate it. Wade Collin, Urban Forestry. It's good to see everybody out here today. I just wanted to take a minute to recognize the efforts of Keith and Associates and all their hard work with tree preservation, keeping the trees that we had here already and installing new trees and really making it a wonderful park for all the citizens. So I'd like to present an award to Sarah Landucci for all our hard work, Urban Forestry Award for 2023. I would be remiss if I didn't recognize Paul Weinberg, for Superior, for his efforts and all that too. So thank you, Sarah, for all your hard work, and thank you to Fernand and Mark Brummett, the inspector. Thank you. Over there.
You hold it.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Thank you, Wade. Appreciate that. And it's always nice when the city's urban forester wants to compliment a contractor for a job well done. I know Wade. He's always watching out for the trees and bushes and things like that. But a lot of people have put a lot of work into this GeoBond project to make this happen. It's we've got stuff going all across the city, but this North Pompano Park is truly a gem at this point in time. I've got some folks to recognize here. So the improvements was comprised of renovations to the existing park facility to include upgraded and new lighted synthetic rectangular fields for soccer, football, and baseball. We got new concessions have been built, new passive recreational areas such as the picnic lawn, new landscaping and pedestrian paths, expanded parking areas. But here's the key. This is a new one for the GeoBonds. This improvements to the North Pompano Park were funded in part by a grant from the state of Florida, Department of Environmental Protection, through the Florida Recreational Development Assistance Program. Thank you to the state of Florida. Here again, it's good to see you, Chip. Thank you very much. But it takes people to make stuff happen. It's not just, you don't just snap your fingers and things turn into a beautiful park like this. It takes people. It takes a big team. Of course, we got our city staff under Mr. Harrison's direction there, takes care of all of the issues that happen in the city. And I'd like to recognize, of course, our GeoBond folks, Fernand Tony and Horatio Danovich. Where are you guys? Right, there you are. Very good. Thank you, guys. Without you guys, stuff like this really doesn't happen. I know it's you've got a lot of balls up in the air constantly with the GeoBond issues and everything else that goes on in this city. But thank you so much for what you guys do. And of course, the folks that do the real hard work on the ground here, we've got West Construction. Yep, there you are. Thank you very much. Appreciate your efforts. The Keith team, which was recognized already, but thank you guys for everything you do in the city of Pompano Beach and the surrounding area. I know that you guys have expanded out beyond Pompano, but thank you so much for what you do for us. Of course, we got Field Turf, the stuff we're walking on. Anybody here from Field Turf? No, but thank you so much for that stuff. Musco Lighting, we got new lighting that's installed around here, so thank you to them. In addition to, of course, all the city folks and the Parks and Rec folks and our city manager's office, assistant city managers, and really just the entire family of services it takes to get anything done. People don't realize, they think, well, it's easy, just hire some contractors and make it happen. But no, it takes a lot of coordination, a lot of city staff time and things of that nature. And thank you all so much for what you've done for our city. But that's it for me. I want to pass this over now. We're going to move on. The person of the day here up in District 2, Rhonda Eaton, our City Commissioner. Rhonda, come on up. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you. And you stole my word. This really is a gem here in the north part of our city. We're annexed in about 20 years ago, and this is a well-used park. Our Eagles football program run 350 kids consistently year after year. And they come here, and when they're having their games, they're practicing here all through the week in the evenings. This place is filled. Maybe 1,000 people are here, maybe more. Canopy tents are lined up all around, and it's just a sea of humanity, and it's just really wonderful. And our youth programs are one of the best things that Park and Recreations does for our residents and for our cities. So I'm thankful for that. Also thankful to the residents, City of Pompano Beach, who decided that they would add a little more to their tax dollars to fund these long unfunded mandates that we had for many, many years. And it was just well worth it. I'm proud of this park. The field is beautiful, and from here, we're almost in the middle. There is a huge swath of property all the way to the north, a huge open field. We have a retention pond, and to the south, it goes all the way down. We have a dog run down in there at the end, which I'm hoping is going to be improved to be more of a dog park, which, as we know, people love, and it's a real asset for the city. So, did everybody use GPS to find this place? Who took a wrong turn? At least one wrong turn, right? Can we say wayfinding? And thank you all for being here. It's a great day. It's come to fruition. I know we have some improvements to make, but I'm proud of this park. I'm proud for our residents, and I know all of you who participated in managing this park and creating this park are just as proud too. So with that, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Thank you, Commissioner. So, this new synthetic turf field represents a major step forward in our quest for excellence and sustainable progress. It's not just another synthetic turf field. It's a testament to our commitment to providing the best possible experiences for our athletes, students, and local residents. This remarkable innovation brings numerous benefits and opportunities to our community with its durability, environmental friendliness. Synthetic turf provides a reliable and consistent playing surface all year long. Regardless of rain or shine, our athletes will have the opportunity to practice and compete on a field that is always ready for action, and ensuring that our athletes can compete confidently and without unnecessary concern for their well-being. Safety is our priority, and this field reinforces that commitment. Its advanced shock-absorbing technology ensures optimal playing conditions and improved traction. Athletes can now unleash their full potential, showcasing their skills without worry about uneven terrain or divots that could lead to injuries. This field acts as a springboard for our athletes to excel and reach new heights in their chosen sports. Additionally, synthetic turf is a sustainable choice. With water scarcity becoming an increasing concern in many regions, opting for synthetic turf helps us conserve water resources. Gone are the days of excessive watering, mowing, fertilizing, and prepping, which often require significant amounts of water, time, energy, and funding. By embracing synthetic turf, we contribute to a greener and more environmentally responsive future. And let's not forget the social aspect of this new synthetic turf field as well. It provides a gathering place for our community, a space where individuals of all ages can come together to engage in recreational activities and forge meaningful connections. Whether it's a friendly game of football, soccer, ultimate frisbee, rugby, or lacrosse, this field becomes a hub for fostering a sense of camaraderie, unity, and healthy competition. In conclusion, the installation of this new synthetic turf field is a game changer for our community. It offers versatility, performance, sustainability, and social benefits that will positively impact the lives of our athletes and residents alike. So let's embrace this day and this opportunity, making the most of this exceptional resource and creating a lasting memory on this field for generations to come. Thank you. Go Eagles!